We're here at Shearex. This is a plant where all of the mulchers are made. We want to show you our passion for the forestry industry, so we're going for a factory tour. Are you ready? Here we go.
Bonjour, je me nomme Audrey, je suis directrice des ventes pour Shearex. Shearex a commencé en mars 2020. Grib a décidé de partir Shearex parce qu'il voulait diversifier leur offre puis partir une division forestière. C'est en juin 2020 que les gens chez Shearex ont entendu parler par le journal local qu'une entreprise de Roxton Falls avait été vendue aux États-Unis puis qu'ils rapatriaient vraiment toute la production là-bas en laissant les employés derrière ici à Roxton Falls. Le lendemain, ils ont organisé un petit 5 à 7 ici au village pour venir voir ce qui était possible de faire pour pouvoir garder les employés. Puis c'est en juillet 2020 que les premiers employés Shearex ont été engagés. Ils ont été ici dans un petit local au centre du village, juste des bureaux pour pouvoir commencer la conception d'un nouveau débroussailleur. Notre premier débroussailleur a été fini de concevoir puis testé en avril 2021. Au même moment, en février 2021, ils ont commencé la construction de l'usine ici. On est déménagé en juillet 2022. Ça a pris plus d'un an à faire la construction complète. Puis on a tout rapatrié ici la production pour ce qui est de la gamme de débroussailleurs et des projets forestiers. Tout ça maintenant se fait à l'interne avec une quarantaine d'employés.
Hey guys, follow me. We're going on a plant tour.
The factory has 8 production departments. Manufacturing begins when the raw materials are received. Here you can see the guys assembling and welding body and parts and all the components, which are inspected and sent over to the sandblast chamber. The sandblaster prepares the parts so it can be painted with our beautiful gray Shearex that you all guys know. In the meantime, when the sandblaster is working with his parts, the rollers are being assembled as well. After the paint dries, the mechanics will install the components and bring our mulchers to life. We can definitely not forget the last details in the process, having everything in order and ready to go. We have a great environment here at Shearex. People are creative, fun. We do a lot of activities outside the company. Any issues are talked about openly. At the end of the day, respect is the foundation of a productive environment. This is a French-Canadian proud company that wishes to be a part of your day-to-day job and see you succeed.
Hello, my name is Mahmoud. I'm R&D project manager here in Shearex. At Shearex, we offer a diverse range of products. We can classify our products mainly into different categories. HM mulchers for horizontal mulchers and VM mulchers standing for vertical mulchers. In every category, we have different family of the mulchers that are designed to be suited for different kind of applications. HM mulchers are mainly suited for horizontal mulching applications such as land clearing and pipeline maintenances. The VM mulchers are carefully designed for vertical mulching applications such as roadside maintenance. At Shearex, we only use high quality material for machines to withstand the toughest job that we put our machines on. We use the feedbacks that we have from the clients and we try to design a rotor that is the heart of the machine in a way that is efficient and very resistant to wear and tear. It helps the fuel consumption to be the lowest level while we keep the performance in the highest mode.
This is the end of our factory tour here at Shearex. You saw the mulcher, you met lots of people, and you saw how it was made. We certainly hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to follow us on all our social media platforms. See you soon.